Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby back at you with another vlog. So, you're interested in going on a trip on Virgin Voyages. But before you set sail, let's talk about some mistakes that may cost you some money. You want to save some money? Well, I do. Let's get into it. First up, not booking specially dining in advance. So, say for instance, you are craving that delicious steak. You've been thinking about that steak. You looked at videos, my videos, dealing with steaks. You know what I'm saying? And you wanted to try that specialty steak. So you look good, G'd up and everything. Go to the restaurant and it's fully booked. You heard about, well, I can wait in line. But you can wait, but they still don't have no tables. Time is kicking. So what you have to do? Go to the gallery. Now don't get me wrong, gallery food is good too as well, but it's not that state you were craving for. So, pro tip, book in advance. You are able to get the restaurants you want when you are booking in advance. So just don't wait to the last minute to go to the specialty restaurant. Book in advance. Now there are times when you does wait to the last minute and you may be put on a wait list where you wait and you still able to eat. But there may be times when you're not able to do it. Just saying. Pro tip. Next, in knowing the bar tab. So, say for instance, you is on the deck, laughing, chilling, having a good time, meet new people, listening to the music. And then you having these adult drinks and it keep on going up, up. But you did not get a bar tab. So you keep on saying pina colada, and that pina colada keep on costing you more and more and more. Then you realize you have to keep an eye out on your tab. How about purchasing your bar tab where you know what your limit is, and you can say, okay, well, I'm going to spend this much amount on the bar tab, and every time I get a specialty drink, specialty coffee or whatever, I know I'm covered. Try getting a bar tab. And then sometimes when you have that bar tab, you don't have to keep on saying, well, let me say, okay, I got 3 drinks here. I think I got enough for this one. Try the bar tab. It's right there on Virgin Voyages. And you also can do it on the app. Just saying. So, going to the port and not planning the experience ahead for the excursion. You may say, I just wing it. I just do it as it comes. I just do it as it goes. But sometimes when you just wing it, you miss out on some of the best excursions. Because a lot of times the most best excursions or the popular excursions are the ones that get booked fast. So if there's an excursion that you're really interested in, try booking it in advance. That way you know you have that excursion. Just saying. Okay. I'll talk about this right here on my other videos. So if you want to check some of those out, just check them out. So I ain't gonna go too deep on it, but it deals with overpacking. Now look, you do not need 15 pairs of shoes for 7 nights on Virgin Voyages. You're not going to a fashion show or being in a fashion show where you would need those 15 pair of shoes. I'm just saying, well, That's just my opinion. So with this, do not overpack. Sometimes less is more. So try packing the things that you need and some of the things that you think you will wear, but try to fall back from overpacking. Just saying. So you participate in the daytime activities, the morning time exercise and yoga and running on the track, and some of the nice excursions, and then you're ready to go to bed at 9 o'clock. There's so much to do at night on Virgin Voyages. You have other activities, you have theme parties, theme events, so many different things that's going on. Check your app to see what's going on. You don't have to go to sleep at 9 o'clock. So, just look into those different things and have your morning time activities, afternoon activities, evening activities, and nighttime activities too. So there you have it. These are just a few things that you may want to avoid while traveling on Virgin Voyagers. These are some pro tips and some suggestions. Happy sailing. And once again, this is Coby with Solo Sail Away. Peace.